1970 Gremlin, but some things seem off. The flags here are going to be a hint because the steering wheel is on the right side. So it's for a left-hand drive country. And this has a great story, and you can pause and read it. It was built by Australian Motor Industries. They were interested in these because people had sent some gremlins over. They were interested in building it, so they brought in a completely knocked down version. And that company took it, rebuilt it, switched it over to a right hand drive, and were considering making them there, and they chose not to. So this is a one off made by that factory Gremlin, right hand drive, Australian Gremlin.